Creating a stable economic and social environment. The main aim of the Portia Simpson Miller-led administration for the 2013-2014 financial year. In her contribution to the national budget debate, Mrs. Simpson Miller outlined a comprehensive plan to move the nation from well-being to wealth creation. The Prime Minister began her presentation by concentrating on the poor and most vulnerable in society.
Our women, persons with disabilities, the young, and the elderly are particularly vulnerable to poverty in times like these.
Mrs. Simpson Miller announced the development of a unique combination of projects to provide social protection and security. Among other things, this will involve redesigning existing programs to better target the neediest in society. And the National Housing Trust will be restarting the Inner City Renewal Program as of the 2014 financial year. NHD is investing an additional $25 million in the Youth Build initiative, and its participants will help build the Inner City Renewal homes. The needs of the dedicated and committed workers in the public sector are also being addressed.
My instruction, the Ministry of Transport and Works and Housing has identified 250 acres of land at Ebony Park, which will be used for the construction of houses for public sector workers. And I've asked ministers and ministries and agencies to identify other suitable parcels of land for the same purpose, where we build houses, and for those percentage to be dedicated to our public sector workers at all levels.
Public sector workers will also be receiving greater incentives through the National Housing Trust, like an extension of the 1% reduction in interest rate up to March 31, 2015, plus
starting September 1 this year, Mr. Speaker, public sector workers will be given a 15% discount on peril insurance premiums. They will also continue to benefit from a 15% discount below NHD standard insurance rates for the period through to March 31, 2017.
And starting January 2014, public sector workers with NHD mortgages will also be eligible for contribution refunds during the 2014-2017 period. Some 31,000 public sector mortgages will benefit from the initiative to the tune of $790 million. As for non-governmental NHD mortgages, their peril insurance rates will not be increased between April 1, 2013 and March 31, 2014. But
effective immediately, the NHD will increase loan limits on serviced lots in NHD schemes from $1.5 million to $2.5 million. This will enable more NHD contributors to purchase land.
The age qualification for young professionals to receive homes has also been widened. To increase its service delivery, the NHD will be launching a mobile office.
Planned development is a central element of our progressive agenda. It is directly linked to the principle of joined-up government.